Tili Tili Bom, can you hear him closing in? Hiding around the corner, staring right at you.
Alright, let's start having some fun. Place saran wrap over the mask. I'm using a Sharpie to mark some guidelines. Pour liquid latex into a bowl. Use a cotton ball and cuticle tools to make the molding around the eyes. Take a little bit of the cotton ball and put it into the liquid latex. Saturate. Then place it where I mark the triangle guidelines. While molding the cotton ball, try making it look rough and bumpy. I kind of curve the sides of the triangle a little bit. Let it dry overnight. Use a loose powder and powder the molding. I'm using the Ben Nye Neutral Set loose powder. Tie your hair into a low ponytail. I got this ball cap at Spirt. Place it over your head. Run Spirt gum along the edges to glue down the ball cap. With liquid latex, tap it onto the ball cap, then take a little bit of toilet paper and put it on top of the latex. Dab latex on top of the toilet paper to hold it in place. With a glue stick, apply it onto your brows. I'm trying to soften out the ball cap line, so I apply liquid latex along the edges. Keep applying latex and toilet paper randomly onto the ball cap to add some texture. There's 2 layers on the toilet paper. Use liquid latex and tap it into place, making some edges look kind of like rough and bumpy at the same time. I apply up to where I'm placing the wig. The toilet paper has a little bit of texture versus Kleenex, so this will help make the texture on the clown's forehead look kind of rough. Take Kleenex, separate the 2 layers, then tear off the smooth edges. Apply latex to the edge of the ball cap, add Kleenex on top, then tap on latex on top of the Kleenex. I do another layer of Kleenex to soften the ball cap line. Use a blow dryer if you're impatient. With the Lancome face primer, apply all over the face. Prep your lips with a lip balm. Once the latex is dry, apply powder all over. I'm using the Ben Nye Clown paint to paint my entire face and the bald cap as well. While I'm applying the white paint, I'm swiping, then tap the paint to make it look smooth. This is my first time using this paint and it's pretty dang thick. I'm trying to cover my brows with the paint, but it still looks a little bit visible. I will show you in a little bit how I cover my brows. Make sure to color your ears. Bring the paint down the neck and chest if needed. I set the white paint with the Ben Nye Neutral Set powder. Okay, with the Ben Nye Scar Wax, take a little bit with Vaseline to cover the brows. Make sure to use Vaseline so the wax doesn't stick to your fingers while working with the wax. Do the same thing to the other brow. Gently tap the white paint over the brows, then powder. Take a matte black eyeshadow and apply it onto the lid and underneath the eyes. Use a blending brush and blend the shadow a little bit. This doesn't have to look perfect. Do the same thing to the other eye. With the eye molding, apply Spirt gum or latex onto the back of it and place it onto the face. Press firmly. I'm using the matte gray and black eyeshadow for this next part. Apply the gray eyeshadow onto your ball cap. With the gray eyeshadow, I contour the side of my face, below my cheekbones, and my jawline. I shade my neck and chest as well. Using an eyeshadow brush, define the smile line with the gray shadow. Smile a little bit if you can't find your smile line. While doing this part, apply it gently. Now I'm drawing the wrinkles on the forehead. I'm using the line from the ball cap to draw the first wrinkle. The line from the tissue, I'm using that for my other wrinkle. Then I draw my last wrinkle line. My camera shut up. I wanted the wrinkles to pop out a little bit more, so I used the black eyeliner and gently brush it onto the wrinkle. Then go back in with the gray shadow to soften out the line. Now with the black eyeshadow, start randomly pop out some of the tissues. With the Ben Nye color wheel, start coloring the scar molding around the eye. Use the burgundy color first. Now go in with the red and color around the scars and a little bit onto the lid. Add a little bit of black cream color to the scar to add dimension. Use a matte red eyeshadow color to set the scar. Take a black eyeliner to line the waterline and the top lash line. I add a little bit more black eyeshadow to the top of the lid. With a red lip liner, line your lips. Apply a red lipstick on top. Now line your lips with a black eyeliner. Blend the colors together. Now draw the line that connects the lip to the eye. I extend the outer corner of my lip a little bit. I'm using the Ben Nye cream color in red to do this part. Add the lines to the top of the molding. Touch up wherever you think it's needed. Since I'm adding the wig around my crown area, add duct tape to the wig, then apply it to where you want your wig. Press down firmly. This wig has bangs, so I trim whatever hair pieces that's in my face. Tuck in the ponytail into the wig. Tie pigtails. You can do full bangs, but I'm doing a little vampire point with this look. Let's add some blood. Add blood to the scars. Use a sponge and dab the blood around the scars. I just got this tooth paint. Dry your teeth and apply it onto your teeth. It looks like I got food in between my teeth, but for this look, that's okay. This is a pretty cool product. It's waterproof and you just need rubbing alcohol to remove it. Finish off the look with some fun contacts. Oh, I forgot about the freaking red nose. Slap that on really quick by using a red lip liner to outline the shape and fill in with the red cream color. Here's what it looks like up close. time to take off the makeup. I wasn't filming and took off the scar moldings. You just need to rip it off. Take off the wig. Use alcohol to remove the scar wax from the brows. Alright guys, that is it. Don't forget to have fun, be creative, and I'll see you next time.